Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining us on a wet catio today. The Hurricane Lee is just starting to come. You can probably hear it. Trees are going crazy. Yeah, so we won't be on the catio this morning. It's gonna have to be an indoor catio chat today. There's Loki. Hi, Loki. Loki and Bear. Everybody just had their breakfast. Miss Muffy, she's gonna want to go out, but she can't go out in this. You blow her away. What a good kitty. Hi. Yeah, so we have to do an indoor catio like this morning. I got drenched just sticking my arm out the door. So how are you today, Miss Muffy? Are you a little kitty today? Sometimes she looks like she can barely hold herself up. She's getting tired. Yeah, 23 years old. It's quite a great age for a kitty. He's a little stiff. That's about all. So let's see what else is. Oh, I think I see Luna wants to go out. I doubt it, but we'll see. Yeah, it's pretty bad out there, Luna. I doubt it. You get your floof all wet. Yep, so it's a storm day. Hopefully it won't be too bad. It's just starting. Okay, Luna, are you sure? And then she looks the other way. She is gonna go out. Oh my goodness, Luna. She'll go right in behind the chair. Hi, Lou. Pretty day, a bad day for a catio. Yeah, I guess the storm is just starting, so it should be interesting. We've got these giant trees here in the back, but they're probably well rooted. Oops, sorry about the bumpy camera. Yeah, so that's our storm day today. There's Bear. Good morning, Bear. You Miss Muffy? You can't go out in that, Miss Muffy. There's the difference in size, but Miss Muffy's kind of on the smaller side too. But, you know. So it's just about 7 o'clock in the morning. I thought I'd wait a little later so you could see the storm. We've got 4 storm warnings on our phones this morning. Cyclones and hurricanes and rain, huge amounts of rain, and so we're gonna have to just bunker down today, I guess. Batten down the hatches. Right, Miss Muffy? Well, she might go out because she's an indoor-outdoor kitty. Doesn't mind the weather. I love how they leave their tail in the door. Security. Oh, there she goes. Oh my goodness, Bear. Oh, he's got to see what's going on with Miss Muffy. He's like, she can go out, I can go out. You want to go out, Bear? You guys are all going to be wet. No. No, not for Bear. Here she goes. Pretty hard to see her though, isn't it? Yeah, so that's our day today. Just keeping an eye on the weather and things, trees, whatnot. It's supposed to be like this all day today. We're supposed to get, I think they said 110 km/h gusts, wind gusts. So that's the kind of stuff that can take trees down. I don't know where Loki is. There's Loki. Hi, Loki. There he is. Good morning, Loki. Good kitty. Loki, he's not stupid. He's going to stay in. So, anyways, maybe I'll report back later on. If the storm is crazy, I'll make another video. There's Miss Muffy standing out there on the bed we made for the kitties. Anyways, thanks so much for joining us, and I'll be back again tomorrow. Bye for now.